everyone. I welcome you all back to your channel Top 10 Class ICC. This is part 5 of the First War of Independence 1857. If you are new to my channel, I teach all the subjects for 10 ICSE. Do subscribe to my channel and do watch full video. Now this is immediate cause. This part I'm telling you immediate cause, explaining you immediate causes. Let's start. Do you all know what is this? Yes, many of you must have guessed it right. It is a Enfield rifle. You can see it. This was the Enfield rifle when Britishers were there. Now let's move ahead. Let's read it out. In 1856, Brown Bess was replaced by Enfield rifle. So before Enfield rifle जो था उसके पहले ब्राउन बेस ये नाम का एक गन था, पर उसे रिप्लेस कर दिया गया एनफील्ड राइफल के साथ. 1856 में ब्रिटिशर्स लोगों ने रिप्लेस कर दिया. लोडिंग प्रोसेस, बिटिंग द टॉप, ग्रीस पेपर विद द टीथ. तो प्रोसेस क्या था? अपने टीथ के ऊपर जो ग्रीस पेपर था उसे बिट भी करना था और उसे गन में डालना भी था. वी विल सी दैट इन लेटर. In January 1857, Bengal regiment was there. It was rumored that cartridge was made up of fat of cow and pig. ये ऐसा रूमर फैल गया था कि जो कार्ट्रिज होता है गन में डालने का, एनफील्ड राइफल में डालने का जो कार्ट्रिज था उसमें फैट था किस किस का? काऊ का. काऊ इज द टैबू ऑफ हिंदूज एंड पिग दैट इज द टैबू ऑफ मुस्लिम्स. सो ऐसे रूमर फैल गया था कि कार्ट्रिज में फैट है काऊ और पिग का. तो हिंदू और मुस्लिम सिपाहीज गॉट कन्विंस दैट इट वाज टू डिफाइल देयर रिलीजन. हिंदू और मुस्लिम सिपाहीज को ऑफकोर्स ऐसे ही लगा कि ये जो कर रहे हैं कार्ट्रिज में फैट काऊ और पिग का जो फैट है वो हमारे रिलीजन को दुख पहुंचाने के हेतु से कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि दैट वाज द टैबू ऑफ हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम्स. सो दे कैन नॉट बिट इट, राइट? Finally, they refused to use and the uprising happened. तो क्या कर जो हिंदू और मुस्लिम सिपाहीज थे तो उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने बोला कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते, हम कार्ट्रिजेस को बिट नहीं कर सकते और एनफील्ड राइफल में नहीं डाल सकते. तो इसलिए अपराइजिंग जो था फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस ये हुआ था. दिस वॉज एन इमीडिएट कॉज. What led to mutiny? I was telling you all about this. Suppose this is a cartridge, okay? And this is the gun, that is the Enfield rifle. Okay, this is the Enfield rifle. And this is the cartridge, okay? And this cartridge, can you see he's beating up with his mouth? And then he has to put it in his gun and then shoot. So this was the process. But this cartridge was containing fat of, as I told you, fat of cow and pig. And as I told, cow is the taboo of Hindus and pig is the taboo of Muslims. So Hindu and Muslim sepoys denied to use this cartridge and Enfield rifle. So main events. Now let's see main events. Events at Meerut. News of the events in Bengal spread like a wildfire. On May 9, 85 sepoys refused to touch the cartridges on the parade ground. They were sentenced to 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. मतलब May 9 को 85 सिपाहीज जो सिपाहीज मतलब सोल्जर्स जो थे उन्होंने कार्ट्रिज को हाथ लगाने से मना कर दिया गया. मतलब उन्होंने मना कर दिया परेड ग्राउंड के ऊपर, तो उन्हें 10 ईयर की इम्प्रिजनमेंट मतलब जेल हो गई. तो May 10 पर all the sepoys at Meerut rushed to the jail and set free their comrades and other convicts. सारे सिपाहीज जेल के तरफ चले गए May 10 को. अब इवेंट्स एट दिल्ली कौन कौन से हुए? सोल्जर्स फ्रॉम मेरूट केम टू दिल्ली द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. जो मेरूट के सोल्जर्स थे वो दिल्ली आ गए. दे वर जॉइंड बाय द लोकल इन्फेंट्री. They seized the city and proclaimed the aged Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah the Emperor of India. He was caused to write letters to all chiefs and rulers of India, arguing them to organize a confederacy of Indian states to fight against the British regime. In the process of the British lost Delhi. ये process में British लोगों ने दिल्ली लॉस कर दिया, मतलब चला गया, उनके हाथ से दिल्ली चला गया. Sir John Nicholson surrounded Delhi and after 4 months of attack captured Delhi. So John Nicholson जो था उसने कैप्चर कर लिया दिल्ली को 4 मंथ के बाद अटैक करके. The old emperor Bahadur Shah was found guilty of aiding the movement. As a punishment, his 2 sons were shot dead in front of him. सोचो बहादुर शाह के सामने उसके 2 बेटों को मार दिया गया. He was sentenced to life imprisonment and deported to Yangon in Myanmar, where he died in 1862. So Bahadur Shah died in Yangon in Myanmar, that is in Myanmar, and he was died in 1862. He was having life imprisonment, means lifetime jail. Now, events at Lucknow. What were the main events at Lucknow? Begum Hazrat Mahal, the wife of Nawab of Awadh, led the uprising at Lucknow on May 30, 1857. The city was recaptured by the British in March 1858. Begum Hazrat Mahal fled towards the Nepal frontier. So this is Mangal Pandey and this is Begum Hazrat Mahal. Events at Kanpur. You know who was there in Kanpur? Nana Sahib. He struggled for independence at Kanpur. He struggled really hard. The British surrendered in June 1857. A large number of Englishmen, women and children were captured by an infuriated mob. The British defeated Nana Sahib in December 1857. British लोगों ने नाना साहिब को डिफीट कर दिया. नाना साहिब fled towards Nepal. नाना साहिब नेपाल चले गए. His general, जो इसका जनरल थे तांतिया तोपा, escaped to कालपी. तो उसके जो जनरल थे तांतिया टोपा वो कालपी को चले गए. अब आते हैं events in central India, that is Jhansi and Gwalior. The battle began at Jhansi early in June 1857. Sir Hugh Rose laid siege to the fortress of Jhansi in March 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai resisted, but Jhansi was captured by British when traitors opened the gates of the fortress for them. तो जब सर हग रोज आए तभी उन्होंने जैसे गेट खोला तो झांसी ब्रिटिश लोगों ने कैप्चर कर लिया. The Rani escaped from the fortress on the night of April 4, 1858 to join Tantia Tope at Kalpi. तो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने क्या किया, वो अप्रैल 4, 1858 में वो जो फोर्ट था उनका जो महल था उसमें से मतलब जो किला था उसमें से वो भाग गई रात को और ज्वाइन किया तांतिया टोपा जो कालपी को गए हुए थे, तांतिया टोपी. The Rani died fighting the British on June 17, 1858. June 17, 1858 में ग्वालियर में रानी लक्ष्मीबाई died. Tantia Topa was betrayed by the Gwalior chief Man Singh and was hung on April 18, 1859. तो एक वर्ष बाद अप्रैल 18 को तांतिया टोपे को भी हैंग किया गया. किसने किया? मान सिंह, who was the Gwalior chief. Now, events at other centers, जैसे at Bareilly, Khan Bahadur, a descendant of the former ruler of Rohilkhand, took command of the movement. In Bihar, the struggle was led by Kunwar Singh, the Zamindar of Jagdishpur. He had been deprived of his estates by the British. At Faizabad, the leadership was taken by Maulvi Ahmadullah, who aroused the Muslim community against the British rule. So Britishers बहुत संकट में आ चुके थे. Bengal, Rohilkhand, Bundelkhand, Central India, several parts of Bihar, East Punjab were fighting and main events were happening. Rose against the British policies. British policies के ऊपर वो मतलब बहुत उन्हें बहुत एंग्रीनेस आ गया था. इन सेवरल स्टेट्स इन इंडिया रूलर्स रिमेन लॉयल टू द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट बट द सोल्जर्स रोज अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश. कोई कोई स्टेट्स इंडिया में जो रूलर्स थे वो लॉयल थे ब्रिटिशर्स से, पर जो वहाँ के सोल्जर्स थे वो ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ लड़ने लगे. In most of these places, common people rose up in arms and fought with the axes and spears, bows and arrows. तो common people भी fighting कर रहे थे उनके bows लेके, arrows लेके, axes लेके, जो भी उनके पास था उसके साथ वो fighting कर रहे थे. Now chronology of events, this is important. Let's see. February 26, 1857, unrest among the soldiers at Berhampur, Bengal. March 29, 1857, resentment by Mangal Pandey at Barakpur. May 9, 1857, resentment by 85 sepoys of the 3rd Cavalry at Meerut. May 10, 1857, sepoys at Meerut broke out openly against the British and headed towards Delhi. It was the day of May 10, okay, May 10, 1857. May 11 to 30, 1857, outbreaks in Delhi, Firozpur, Bombay, Bareilly, Aligarh, Etawah, Bulandshahr, Lucknow. The Mughal emperor proclaimed as the Emperor of India. June 1857, uprising at Gwalior, Bharatpur, Jhansi, Allahabad, Faizabad. Uprising, when uprising took place, means First War of Independence, at which place took place and on what date, what year, that is given. Like September 1857, recapture of Delhi by the English. November 1857, defeat of the British at Kanpur. December 1857, viceroy of the British at Kanpur, escape of Tantia Tope. March 1858, recapture of Lucknow by the British. Escape of Tantia Tope to Kalpi. Okay. Later, he was joined by Rani Lakshmi Pai. April 1858, Viceroy of the British at Jhansi, uprising in Bihar by Kunwar Singh. June 17, 1858, death of Rani of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai. July-December 1858, re-establishment of British authority in India, and April 1859, Tantia Tope captured and hanged to death. April 1859 में तांतिया टोपे की death हो गई. This is Kunwar Singh. Okay. A very big thank you to reach the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon after subscribing, that is important, and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you all.